one, tie-dye, we're gonna be doing another challenge, and it is look at all the different tie-dyes that we could do in the kit. I'm going with the swirl one.
Yes. I'm going with the crumple.
Maybe bullseye though. Looks kind of cool.
How? Bullseye would be pretty good for. Well, I guess it's kind of cool.
Check out my strategy. What you do is pinch the middle, because we're going straight hippie style. You twist it.
I'm gonna do mine.
I think, and then you classic hand it. Now I've never done this before, so I really don't know what you do now. I have to look at the instructions really quick.
And then it should kind of look like that, I guess. Now it's ready to be dyed. So Beckham crumpled his all up like this one. It's gonna be like this. Green, you said?
Green.
Another green?
Another green.
What if I close my eyes, okay?
Oh, okay, close your eyes.
Wait, is this?
He has his eyes closed.
Oh,
You want that one?
purple. Two greens and a purple.
I picked a swirl thing. What?
Swirl.
And when I tie-dye it, it's gonna look so nice.
It is.
Okay.
Okay, what are your favorite colors that you're gonna pick? 3?
Close my eyes.
Or you could even do more than 3 or less than 3. It's whatever you think
I'm
is
gonna
gonna
close
make
my
sense.
eyes.
Okay. She's gonna do it.
Orange.
Oh,
Right.
that's nice.
She doesn't know what she's picking. Yellow. Purple. Ooh.
Purple. Yellow, orange, and purple.
I have the crumple, and I kind of want to do it a lava theme. So I want this one, and this one. Hello, I am doing a swirl. Hopefully it's gonna be good. My colors. Blue. Purple. The light blue. Orange. I need 6 to cover each one. There we go. Blue. Wait, what? There we go. Blue. Wait, what? There we go. Blue. Wait, what? There we go. Blue. There we go. There we go. There we go. Blue, purple, green, yellow, orange, and pink. That is my color scheme.
Okay, I rolled mine up, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna put them on yet. But I want yellow, light green, turquoise. And I'm gonna win.
Nope.
So I'm doing the hippie one. I'm gonna choose. I go yellow, orange,
Yeah.
green for my middle. Color that's almost blue but not.
Oh, he's gonna do a rainbow?
Yeah, I'm getting crazy. That for there.
Actually, I just. Whoa.
Purple, and I need something else.
You picked all of
Everyone
my
say what color I'm gonna get all at once, and I'll choose the one. Ready? On 3, 2, 1. Green.
Purple.
I
I was gonna say.
I didn't see anything.
There, he already has
Okay.
purple.
This purple.
Whatever.
This one.
No, that's red.
Right here. Oh, is it red?
No, that's wine.
That looks like purple.
Well, it's gonna be wine then. So then I think I'm good. 6 of them.
You picked all of my colors.
I never saw orange at all.
Okay, we have washed all of our shirts. We're all nice and ready to be judged. So let us know who won. Here's Maddie's. Front, back. Axton. Front, back. London. Back. Beckham. Let's see your front and your back. Oh.
Cool.
Dad. Front. Back. And Mom. We kind of all decided to change our plan and add more colors than we thought we were going to in the beginning. And also, I changed mine to a swirl. It doesn't look like a swirl anymore. It's just like all splattered everywhere.
It's cool though.
I love it.
Then we decided that I was the winner. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, you are the winner.
Let us know who you think won.
You are the winner.
Make sure you
Dad.
subscribe,
You're my favorite kid.
hit that thumbs up, and comment down below who you think won.
Okay, see you later, human beings.
Bye.